You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of 66. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting meanings of several expressions that many get confused by. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is the cardinal number directly before 67 and after 65. It's also 3 times 22 and 6 times 11. 66. And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more confusing vocabulary and meanings of confusing expressions. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.